Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon up for another video, and today's video, here's another episode of Karaoke with Zboy. So, as you wondering anong gamay kaya kong shirt, and this is a shirt from our school. It's Colegio de San Antonio de Padua, proud Paduan here. So, pa-enroll na mo sa Padua guys. This is not a paid advertisement. Today's song, we are going to sing Maroon 5 featuring SZA, What Lovers Do. So I don't know this song, but I heard this song, and let's just try to sing this one. So let's play the video. Okay. Say hey now baby, oh my mama don't play now baby. Yeah. Say hey now baby, think straight now baby. Okay. Tell me not to love me not, love me or not, love me or not. But I know you're not, lucky or not, lucky or not. You gotta tell me love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, I'm not lucky, lucky or not, lucky or not. Say hey now baby, okay. You got me in jail baby. Oh, say hey now baby. No, I need a guy now baby. Well, love me or not, love me or not. I say lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not. You gotta love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. But wish if I'm lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not. I've been wishing for you. Trying to do what lovers do. I'm wishing for you. Trying to do what lovers do. Oh yeah, what lovers do. What lovers do, na na na. Lovers do, na na na. I don't understand. Renting you gone for games. You're too grown to play around it. You're enough to chase, but old enough to know better. We can't control changing. How we too grown to mess around. I'm sorry, can't be forever, but that's no better. I've been wishing for you. Trying to do what lovers do. I've been wishing for you. Trying to do what lovers do. I've been wishing for you. Trying to do what lovers do. I've been wishing for you. That was a really hard song. Isod ka siya kanta, grabe. At sakit akong Mahirap na song na yun pala. Akala ko, bibilis na yun. Like what I've said in the past episodes of this video, I've never practiced these songs. It's just, kung naan na siya dito sa akong laptop, I just sing it. And then, it's just, oh, what the hell? Never expected that song. So that's it. This is Zboy Montebon signing off for this video because my dog is barking. And click the subscribe button here. And comment down below what song do you want me to sing in this episode for the next episode. That's it. Goodbye because my dog is barking. Bye bye.